today in this video we'll see that how to get the GLM 5.1 model for free, because this is absolutely based in coding, and you can see the benchmarks here. These are approximately competing with the proprietary models. For that you can go to this article, and after coming here click on try it for free. Then you will get this URL, or you can directly type this URL in your browser. We will try this. For that, let's copy the curl request. Let's paste it here first. We have to change the API token here. We'll create one here. Let's say test, and after creating this you can copy and paste it here, and let's see whether if it's working or not. And this is the model ID. It's a little bit slow. Let's give the final output, and let's close this. Now let's try to add this in kilo code. Let's go to providers so that we can do some coding stuff. Go to connect custom providers and name it Modal GLM-5.1. GLM-5.1, and the OpenAI compatible URL will be till v1. Close it, copy the key, paste it here, and here are the available models. Select all and submit. We have to select all, and now we also have to click on add here. Now after submitting this GLM 5.1, I guess it will say to name it whatever you want. After this, just go here and search for GLM 5. You have to scroll. This is the model that we were using, FP8. Choose this, and after choosing, just close this and say hello. Title is changed. It's taking so much time because I think for the free endpoint there's a concurrency limit, and there must be so much load on the server. You can try it in times like when less people are available, like try in night after 10 p.m. or something like that. Can you scan the code base? And I think it's working. So that's all for the video, and thanks for watching the video. You can also try this GLM 5.1 for free for now on this website modal.com, and that's all for more videos. Stay connected.